Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Julian Saputra Palamba and I want to explain about the line graph of participants in 5 extracurricular activities. The line graph presents the number of participants in 5 extracurricular activities such as film club, martial arts, amateur dramatics, table tennis and musical performance between 2000 and 2020. Overall, the film club consistently had the most participants while table tennis and musical performance show strong growth. Amateur dramatics declined significantly and martial arts remained relatively stable. So in detail, the film club began with around 65 participants, dipped slightly in 2010, then rose again to about 66 by 2020. Martial arts fluctuated starting at 37 and ending slightly lower at 34. Amateur dramatic initially increased from 25 to 28 but dropped steadily to 12 in 2020. And next is table tennis, show the most notable rise from 15 in 2000 to over 55 in 2020. And the last one is musical performance had no participant until 2010, then grew gradually to reach around 18 by 2020. And this pattern reflects shifting student interest over the 2 decades. And that's all I want to explain about the line graph of participants in 5 extracurricular activities. Thank you and good morning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Lucia Felicia Nigla. I would like to describe the graph that shows the percentage of the Australian workforce in 5 industries from 62 and 12. The line graph is showing the percentage of the Australian workforce employed in 5 different ingredients service, manufacturing, agriculture, construction, and mining between 1962 and 2012. Overall, the service sector experienced a significant increase over the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
50-year
wabarakatuh. Good
period,
evening everyone. My name is M. Aditya Hafiz.
becoming
I am
the
from class
domain
Geophysics 2.
interesting
And in
in
this opportunity,
contrast.
I will be explaining to
Every
you all a
new
graph
part
on how recycled
and
paper is made. The
manufacturing
key ingredient
decline
in recycling of paper is
considerably.
unfiltered pulp, filtered pulp, ink,
Construction
and
and
clean pulp.
mining remain
So, the
relatively
first step is making the
stable
pulp.
with
First,
minor
used paper
changes.
are moved through a conveyor belt into a water chemical.
In
That is the first stage.
1962,
Entering the second
surface
stage is
employed
filtering.
around
After the paper is went through
40%
the water
of
chemical, it then
the
will be
workforce
filtered into
steadily
a water and soap cleaner.
rising
Now,
to near
after that, we will
80%
come
by
to the third stage, which is cleaning.
2012.
The filtered
Manufacturing
paper, which is then
started
moved to a
at
water and soap cleaner, and then
approximated
move again into a water and chemical.
30%, but this
After
figure
the third stage, we then
declined to
went into our final
below
stage, which is making the
10%.
paper. After the paper
To
is
below
cleaned and
10%.
went into water and chemical, it is then moved
Also
into a
dropped
conveyor belt, which it will
significantly
be heated by a heated
from
roller and
over
water. And then
20%
that's how a
to
recycled paper is made.
under
Thank you everyone for
5%.
tuning in for my explanation. I hope everyone have a good day.
Contraction
Waalaikumsalam
remained
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
fairly consistent, with a slight dip and recovery staying around 10%. Mining had the lowest percentage, staying below 5%, with only minor fluctuation. And that is all main explanation. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this presentation is useful. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Sultan Rafi Syaputra, and now I will tell you to describe about the bar chart presents data on the top 3 global produce of milk, cheese, butter, and milk powder in 2012, measured in metric tons. So, overall, the European Union dominated the most categories, especially in milk and cheese production. More specifically, the Europe was the largest milk producer with nearly 143.0 metric tons, followed by India and the United States in cheese production. In cheese production, the Europe again led by wide margin, producing significantly more than both the US and Brazil. Interestingly, butter production showed a different pattern. India ranked first with 4.500 metric tons, more than double the Europe's output. The highlights India's strong domestic demand and cultural emphasis on butter-based products like ghee. In milk powder production, on the other hand, was led by China and New Zealand, with Europe in the third place. This reflects the growing importance of the Asia-Pacific region in dairy exports. In summary, while the Europe was a major producer across most categories, regional difference in dietary habits and export priorities set the global dairy landscape. And that's all for today. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.